राम
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 हरे
हरे
हरे,
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्णा
हरे
हरे
हरे,
हरे
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 राम
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 हरे
हरे
हरे,
हरे
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे
हरे
हरे,
हरे
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 राम
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 हरे राम राम राम
हरे।
हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण।
So 15, 6 line shloka. Na tathaitarahi rochante
नादते परिरोचन्ते
रोचन्ते
griha sampadaha
गृहेषु
गृहेषु
गृहसम्पदा
गृहसम्पदा
yadi na syad grihe mata
यदि न स्यात् गृहे
स्याद्गृहे
माता
माता
patni va pati devata
पत्नी वा
पत्नी वा
पतिदेवता
पतिदेवता
vyange rata iva pragnaha
रङ्गे रता इव
o namashita dinavat
नामसि
na
दीनवत्
tathaitarahi rochante
न
नातदैतरो
रोचन्ते
रोचन्ते
गृहेषु गृहसम्पदः
गृहेषु
गृहेषु
गृहसम्पदा
गृहसम्पदा
न स्याद् गृहे माता
यदि न स्याद्गृहे माता
पत्नी वा पतिदेवता
पत्नी
पत्नी
वा
वा
पतिदेवता
पतिदेवता
व्यङ्गे रथ इव प्रज्ञः
रङ्गिरता इव
ओ
प्रज्ञा
नामासित दीनवत्
ओ
नामासित
नामासित दीनवत्
दीनवा
गृहेषु गृहसम्पदा गृहे माता यदि न स्यात् गृहे माता पत्नी वा पतिदेवता रङ्गे रथ इव प्राज्ञः नातथैरहि रोचन्ते गृहेषु गृहसम्पदा यदि न स्यात् गृहे माता पत्नी वा पतिदेवता व्यङ्गे रथ इव प्राज्ञ नमासि तदीन्वता नातथैरहि रोचन्ते गृहेषु गृहसम्पदा यदि न स्यात् गृहे माता पत्नी वा पतिदेवता
আমার উঠবে নাকি?
na not tatha like before etarhi at this moment rochante become pleasing griheshu at home griha sampadaha all household paraphernalia Yadi, if, na, not, syad, there is, grihe, at home, mata, mother, patni, wife, va, or, pati devata, devoted to the husband, vyange, without wheels, rathe, in a chariot, eva, like, pragnaha, learned man, kaha, who is that? Nama, indeed, asita, would sit, deenavat, like a poverty-stricken creature. King Puranjana said, I do not understand why my household paraphernalia does not attract me as before. I think that if there is neither a mother nor devoted wife at home, the home is like a chariot without wheels. Where is the fool who will sit down on such an unworkable chariot?
Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. The great politician Chanakya Pandita said, Mata yasya grihe nasti bharya cha priyavadini aranyam tena gantavyam yataranyam tata griham. If a person has neither a mother nor a pleasing wife at home, he should leave home and go to the forest, because for him there is no difference between the forest and home. The real Mata or mother is devotional service to the Lord, and the real Patni or devoted wife is a wife who helps her husband execute religious principles in devotional service. These two things are required for a happy home. Actually, a woman is supposed to be the energy of a man. Historically, in the background of every great man, there is either a mother or a wife. One's household life is very successful if he has both a good wife and mother. In such a case, everything about household affairs and all the paraphernalia in the house becomes very pleasing. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had both a good mother and pleasing wife, and he was very happy at home. Nonetheless, for the benefit of the whole human race, he took sannyasa and left both his mother and wife. In other words, it is essential that one have both a good mother and wife in order to become perfectly happy at home. Otherwise, home life has no meaning. Unless one is religiously guided by intelligence and renders devotional service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his home can never become very pleasing to a saintly person. In other words, if a man has a good mother or a good wife, there is no need of taking his sannyasa, that is, unless it is absolutely necessary, as it was for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatirmirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Natataitara Hirochante Griheshu Griha Sampadaha Yadina Syad Grihe Mata Patni Va Pati Devata
पत्नी वा पति देवता
Vyange Rata Iva Pragnaha
रंगे रथा इव प्रज्ञः
O Nama Sita Deenavat.
ओ नामासित दीनवत्
King Puranjana said, I do not understand why my household paraphernalia does not attract me as before. I think that if there is neither a mother or devoted wife at home, the home is like a chariot without wheels. Where is that fool who will sit down on such an unworkable chariot? So this is now Puranjana. Puranjana is fed up of sense enjoyment and the hunting he was doing. And he has come back slowly now, he is coming back to Krishna consciousness. So here, mother and wife refers to something that is there in the next verse. I'll just show you. Prabhupada has taken the symbolism and he is continuing on the issue of the wife. We will talk about that, but let us see this. Okay? No, mother.
14th.
Okay.
Prabhuji, 14th verse में intelligence wife.
ठीक है, whatever. So now the wife was referred to intelligence and mother to devotion service. Yeah, okay, whatever. So a house devoid of Krishna consciousness, it's a very difficult place. Just like now we can give a big lecture on being ideal grihastha life, there is also ideal brahmachari life. All ashramas are contaminated in Kali Yuga. And therefore, there is no peace. There is ideal brahmachari life, there is ideal grihastha life, there is ideal sannyasa life. These ashrams are. And so even vanaprastha, ideal vanaprastha life. So the Puranjana is saying interesting that the home without devotion service looks pale. In fact, Prabhupada used to say, Krishna consciousness is the life-giving ambrosia. Just like there is, say, a festival program. What we do? We do Nam Sankirtana primarily. We discuss some Krishna Katha, we have some Aarti, other activities, Prasadam. And what does happen? So happy everybody is. So actually, Krishna consciousness gives life to an individual. Nice? Similarly, it gives life to a family. It gives lives to a community. It gives lives to the country, life to the world. Krishna consciousness means actually a person is living. Otherwise, it's almost when Krishna Prabhupada says consciousness means Krishna consciousness. The bright, happy stage of loving devotion service to the Lord, that is actually consciousness. Now, just like in a brahmachari life, if somebody is not following the rules of brahmacharya life, he will not be very happy. And it cannot continue long, then he will be starting feeling, something is missing, even though everything is very fine. Everybody looks at fault outside. You cannot suffer in Krishna consciousness because of another person. In fact, we cannot suffer in our own karmi life because of other person. That is the foundation of peace of an individual. If my karma is not there, nobody can harass me. Mera hi karma hai. And similarly, in spiritual life also, nobody can disturb me if I am proper. But actually we look for fault outside, and that is not somebody advanced in consciousness. And he becomes, because of this person now, I am disturbed. No, you are disturbed because of your own causes. Now coming to Grihastha life, just like here the discussion is more on Grihastha life, if the Krishna consciousness is not there, it will be very, very difficult. How do you reconcile? There are two people with two different mind, two different feeling, two different conviction, two different conclusion. How do you reconcile? If in the house there is a common purpose, just like in a country, how is it that so many people reconcile together? Because at the center they put the country. In the interest of the country, they reconcile. And otherwise, no person wants to live with another person in this world. है ना? कोई किसी के साथ रहना चाहता है? नहीं. एक common purpose होके लोग रहता है ना? It's like in a family when they have children, now just for the growth of the children, they stay together. Okay, भाई बच्चों का ध्यान रखना. So there is some common purpose. But in an ideal Grihastha life, the common purpose is actually devotion service to the Lord. Just like in a temple, the common purpose is the Shri Shri Radha Govinda should be worshipped. We had, a situation where how many? So many people came together. The common purpose, let us build a permanent home for Radha Govinda. And it just happened. But we had a common purpose. If that common purpose is not there, we see people go away. Because then the very foundation they have gone. The very foundation is we are here so that the deities are nicely served and on their behalf we preach. Now if that goes away, the person also just disappears. We see so many people together. What is there? Because that was never there, the foundation was not there. When you make a building, we should make a nice foundation. So in a house also, there should be a foundation where things can reconcile all the time. Okay. But we have, mostly the parent, for the children's, let us be together. Even more advanced, that is one platform, that we are there together to serve the Lord, cooperate to serve the Lord. That is more advanced. Okay, so this is what actually is ideal Grihastha life. But if this is not there, suppose in any individual, if there is no Krishna consciousness, there is a very famous shloka. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. Who knows the shloka? Nobody knows.
भगवद्गीतास्य जातिक्यास्तु अपराधस्यैव देहस्य मण्डलं गोकुलं.
Beautiful. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. If there is an individual or a country which is devoid of Krishna consciousness, jati, shastram, tapaskriya. We see so many things there. We see that people are working very hard. There is a great history. It's like Krishna says to Arjuna, Bharata Shabha, means he come in a great dynasty, jati. There are shastram, there is a great learning, tapas, a lot of hard work, kriya. So, but even after having so many embellishments, if the main thing is missing, Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya, Bhagavad Bhakti is not there. There is a great tradition in the family. We go to some people's house, imagine entering a house with these things, jati, oh boy, they are coming from some big dynasty. Shastram, Boba, he is a doctor, he is this, he is that. Shastram, tapas, they do a lot of hard work there. Very nice. Kriya, wonderful activities they have done that, they have done that. है ना? किसी घर में घुसे हैं, ये सब है. बट भगवत भक्ति नहीं है उस घर में. वो लोग भगवान का सेवा नहीं करते हैं, उनको कुछ मतलब नहीं है उससे. अप्राणस्य देहस्य, it's a dead body. Mandalam loka ranjana. Only a fool will appreciate such a situation. And when will the day come? Actually, we understand what is the Paramahamsa basically. Paramahamsa means he separates body and the soul. Okay? Similarly, a Paramahamsa can separate an activity which has Krishna consciousness, an activity which does not have Krishna consciousness. He can separate an individual which is Krishna conscious, and he can separate an individual which is not Krishna conscious. समझ आ गया? जैसे चैतन्य महाप्रभु का कल नहीं डिस्कस कर रहे थे, असत संगति, I can separate सत from असत. And imagine living a life like that at every moment with a clear discrimination. Such an individual will not waste 1 second because he knows what is temporary, what is permanent. There's all activities in this world, so-called glorious activities, are all temporary activities. And he can see there are only few things which are permanent, which is devotion service. And he has that intelligence. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. Just imagine when Krishna gives us that blessing, we can actually see like that. And then not a moment will be wasted when the day will come. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no? Yugahitam nimeshena chakshusha pravishahitam shunyahitam jagat sarvam. When the day will come, this is very advanced. ये तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, एक सर, ये बहुत बड़ा बात है. Too hard to rapture into this situation, for tears are rolling from the eyes. Tava nama grahane bhavishyati. When I chant your holy name, my Lord, this all going to happen to me. When the day will come, इसका बात नहीं करो. अभी ये बहुत बड़ा बीत है, इसको थोड़ा अलग रखो. अभी आओ कि I can understand the difference between Sat and Asat activities. I'm engaged in activities which are for my self-purification. After the purification happens, this stage will come. Sometimes we do not want to pay the price. And we want, that is called sahajiya. We want great, we walk like with Shastashtaka, and every step is a dance, and every word is a song, wah, wah. And that day has come. Like we have in materialistic life also, people fail. They have a grand plan for enjoyment and everything they arrange for enjoyment, and because they are devoid of Krishna consciousness, they fail. So what do? They drink, they artificially for some time is so-called happy, and they break their liver and kidney in that process, and they die soon. So similarly in Krishna consciousness, what is the mistake he is doing? He is not bringing Krishna consciousness. So we are trying to practice Krishna consciousness. So one is 0, you are trying, but you are also not 100. So you are not getting in ecstasy because purification has not occurred. So if just like he is coming at home, saying my mother is not there, my wife is not there, what do I do? What do I do? This is not a healthy situation of a house. आजकल तो मैरिज टाइम फर्स्ट कंडीशन, आई विल नॉट लिव विद योर पेरेंट्स, पहला कंडीशन होता है, मैं उनका सेवा नहीं करने वाला, सीधा है ना, पहला मीटिंग में ही ये हो जाता है, मैं नहीं रहेगा उधर. एंड द वाइफ वांट्स टू टेक द हस्बैंड अवे फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स. दिस इज ऑल नास्टी इट इज. सो बट हियर इट इज सेड, व्हाट इज दैट काइंड ऑफ हाउस? Chanakya shloka is being quoted, very famous shloka. Anybody know this shloka Kanthastha? The very Chanakya shlokas are actually simple. See, Prabhupada quotes in the same breath. Okay, I'm sorry, gone ahead.
Prabhuji.
Yes, you can see here the shloka Prabhupada starts. Mata yasya grihe nasti. It is a house where mother is not there. Bharya cha apriyavadini. And wife is there all the time. Tan, 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 tan. Aranyam tena gantavyam. Jungle chale jao, better rahega. Yatha aranyam tatha griham. You will have more peace at home, jungle, than at home. So this is what actually generally people think about marriage. The whole life they plan, किससे शादी करूँगा, and then the grand arrangement for marriage. हमको भी बुलाते हैं, हमको क्यों बुलाते हैं? ब्रह्मचारी का क्या काम है शादी? नहीं, आप भी आइए, आप भी आइए, आप भी आइए. को बिना सोचे समझे वो भी करो, आप कुछ कीर्तन कर दो, मतलब ऐसा ओकेजन होना चाहिए को बैंड बजाना लोगों के साथ, बड़ा ओकेजन. और उसके बाद नरक के अंदर घुस जाते हैं, वहाँ था थपड़ 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 थपड़. क्या है ये पता नहीं. तो दिस इज नाउ अरण्यम थे न गत्ते में. आदमी सोचता है इधर छोड़ के मैं जंगल चला जाऊं तो बेटर रहेगा, वहां थोड़ा शांति तो मिलेगा मेरे को. हाँ, तो एक घर में ठा 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 माता यस्य ग्रह. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन टुडे, है ना. practically I get cards, so heavy cards, you know. They spend for one marriage card hundreds of rupees, one. कुछ लोग उसमें सिल्वर कॉइन भी लगाते हैं, बड़े बड़े लोग, मतलब हजारों में भी खर्च होता है एक एक कार्ड के लिए. और उसके बाद एक मतलब जंगल के अंदर ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ से भागो जंगल जाओ, तमाशा. So this is so because they forget for what they are coming, just like you meet students. Okay, you are studying very hard, very good. For what you are studying, I'll get a good marks. Okay, what you'll do with good marks? I'll get a good job. What you'll do with good job? I'll have lot of money. Then what you'll do with lot of money? I'll nicely enjoy. So your end is that, no? उसमें तो Krishna consciousness था नहीं. Be ready for a disaster. Correct? That is what the saying. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. I should not have a goal which is without Krishna consciousness. And imagine if this step can be taken, that no moment passes. There is a shloka in Bhagavatam which says, both by rising and setting, the sun takes away one day from our life, except for a person who is spending time in Krishna consciousness. His time, his day is not passing. Otherwise, one more day, one more day, one more day, one more day. Just like the famous prayer, but there is a, what is that famous prayer? Hari Hari Bifale. Yes, who knows the shloka? Nobody knows, huh? Hari Hari Bifale.
जन्म गुनाइनु
अरे पूरे जन्म काने मानव मनुष्य जन्म पाया कृष्ण न बजिया जानिया सुनिया विषय काइनु.
Yes. Anybody else wants to sing this? Okay, Hari Hari Bifale. Bifale means without any fruit. Without any fruit. Hari Hari Bifale, without any fruit. I wasted my life. Manusha Janma Paila Radha Krishna Nabhajiya Janiya Shuniya Vishakaino. When Srila Prabhupada used to travel to different parts of the world, the devotees to Prabhupada will come with us. We want to show you some scenery. You know, हर country में होता है ना, पिकनिक स्पॉट्स होता है ना, हर एनी सिटी में पहले टाइप करते हैं लोग पहुंचते, यहाँ देखने की क्या जगह है ना, तो कोई पहाड़ी की चोटी, कोई ये प्रॉपर से आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. उनको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, क्या करना है देख के. When he landed in America, he said, "My Lord, why you have brought me to the miserable place? On what standard? They're very rich people, है ना, and very big, everything is there. जाति, शास्त्रम, तपस, क्रिया, है ना, बड़ा बड़ा काम है, बड़े बड़े स्काई स्क्रेपर बनाए और सारे नोबेल प्राइज उधर ही हैं. हो वी गेट बिविल्डर्ड. लोगों को नींद नहीं आती. आपको अमेरिका टिकट दे दिया जाए, आपको नींद नहीं आएगी कितने दिनों तक, बिकॉज बचपन से ही एक स्वर्ग जैसे मन में बनाया हुआ है ना, सच है, रियलिटी. हम लोग 1% डिवोटी है, 99% कर्मी है. सो देन व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन इन दिस सिचुएशन, व्हेन प्रभुपाद सॉ अमेरिका, व्हाट ही सेड, माय लॉर्ड, व्हाई यू ब्रॉट मी टू दिस टेरिबल प्लेस? व्हाई? बिकॉज ही हैज अ क्लीन विजन. विजन Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. So it's very important. There is a shloka, it says, Brahma Rudradi Kitayate, and Brahma and Shiva are washed as an insect if Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. We sometimes externally, suppose here the Prime Minister of the country comes, or Chief Minister of the state comes, what we do? We externally give garland, है ना? We make him do aarti and all. But Hriday mein Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya, then is Kitayate. We cannot give respect at heart. To earn respect from heart, we actually see whether somebody is Krishna conscious. Okay? And in Krishna consciousness also, people can be progressing to different levels. Yeah? So it's very important that this becomes a criteria for my life, that actually I'm searching from where I can get encouragement to advance my Krishna consciousness. That's all. That is what person wants to increase. Normal materialistic person, what he is thinking, is always looking for where, because he is looking for sense enjoyment. So what is he looking for? Always looking to see people who have success in that. अरे देखो उसको कितना बड़ा गाड़ी बनाया है ना, कितना बड़ा घर बनाया, Because that is the outlook of and a devotee, he works honestly, जो भगवान प्रसाद के रूप में दिया, is संतुष्ट, is happy. मन संतुष्ट नहीं है, आदमी कोई नियम पालन नहीं करेगा. Person's mind should be happy. God gives more than what we deserve at any moment. है ना? Mind should be very happy and satisfied. We do our endeavor and we are very happy and satisfied. Otherwise, whatever opportunity we are having, we will throw it away. Because हम तो कुछ और के पीछे भागने लगे. ये दुनिया में तो रैट रेस है फर्स्ट सेंस में, इंद्रिय भोग के लिए लोग भाग रहे हैं, करेक्ट? हम सो कॉल्ड उस रेस में नहीं भाग रहे, बट अभी भी मन उधर ही है. So then Prabhupada says, once there are personal agendas, then there is no peace, even in a community of devotees. Just like in house, if somebody develops a personal agenda, then there is no peace in that house. He is not forgetting about the foundation of a house. Similarly, in a temple also, we don't have a personal agenda. We are all come to search an opportunity to advance in Krishna consciousness. We only come for that. Then everything is very, very auspicious. Otherwise, Shri Radha Govinda ki. Otherwise, we have that Bhogeshwarya Prashaktanam Taya Aparhita Chetasam Vyavasayatmika Buddhi Samadhona Vidhiyate. If we are not looking for Bhagavad Bhakti and something else becomes our objective in life, what happens? Samadho. We cannot become fixed in devotion service. We are chanting Hare Krishna, we will not chant attentively because something else has become objective of your life. If you know that this is what I am doing, this is the thing, most important thing in my day now, you will chant very attentively because for my purification, I have to purify myself. It's extremely important, he understands this. So then he will not be neglectful. But no, something else, then even though he is in devotion service, he will be, instead of the world seeing what's happening inside in the temple, they come for an experience, isn't it? They come on Sunday for a good experience where they can see happiness of Krishna consciousness. Instead of that, we will not participate in the program because अपने को interest वो नहीं रहा. Rather you watching, यार कितना बड़ी कार में आया था मंदिर देखा तुमने? हमारा मन उधर होगा, उसका मन अंदर होने की जगह, है ना? And then after some time, Krishna will put you outside only. Better be there only. In that word, there is one more shloka in Bhagavatam. The camel, pigs, dogs and asses. Swavidvaraha. Who knows the shloka? Swavidvara ustara kharai. Nobody crammed this. Swavidvara ustara kharai samsuta purusha pashuhu. Nayat karna pato peto jatu nam gadagrajaha. Swa means dog. Vidvara means pig. Ustra means camel, khara means ass. So otherwise what happens, once he has lost the foundation that I want Krishna consciousness, he is forgotten. ISKCON का नाम भी वही है, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. He forgot he came to ISKCON for that. He forgot that somehow. It's foolishness, उसका मूर्ता भूल गया कि मैं किस चीज के लिए इधर आया था. Then what happens? He wants all this. बहुत कुछ चाहिए. अब then what happens? He actually becomes one of these animals. Swa, kutta, vidvara, pig, ustara, camel and asses. And then and not only that he starts appreciating big camels, big asses, big dog and big pigs. He starts appreciating. And then gone. Life is gone. Like people say, I got job at Bull. I got job at IBM. There was one of my students, I remember, he's putting in his profile, Amazon with star. Everybody thinks he got job in. He's feeling very happy. क्या हुआ at the end of the day? Swa. कुत्ता बन गया Amazon का. Vidvaraha, pig. No discrimination between what to eat, what not to eat. Ustra is killing himself. He has got some unwanted addictions which are actually killing him. Kharai, a donkey. He's working 20 hours and he has no time for spiritual life. And just imagine, wherein the person came searching for Krishna consciousness and he became this poor animal. And then not only that, it's not enough. He started appreciating people who are successful in these whole day. You know that? Yeah, actually, he's very rich. And he got yesterday I was reading one person got a salary of $1 trillion. Oh, इतना salary? $1 million ही हो जाता है 8 करोड़, $1 billion हो जाता है 8,000 करोड़, और $1 billion salary, I don't know, something like that, $1 billion or something. इतना, great person. Swavidvara उस तरह करे. So not only he loses Krishna consciousness, one of the symptoms of losing Krishna consciousness is that you start appreciating charitable activities. That's the first fall down, like Bharat Maharaj. Because now he forgot where is Krishna consciousness in taking care of this deer. He forgot. It's very difficult to discriminate. Therefore, Bhagavatam will bring out so many examples. Now, Narada is sitting in front of Prachina Bari. What is he doing? Punyatma. He's not doing any papa. Great Punyatma. Doing yagnas everywhere. And Narada Muni is sitting. And he says, directly the king, if I tell him he get hurt, he's telling a story to him. By which he is gradually understanding that he forgot the main principle. Same thing Narada Muni did to Vedavyasa. Vedavyasa also wrote so many Vedic literatures, and then Narada Muni said, Jugupsitam, abominable, क्या है इसमें? वायसम तीर्थ बना दिया तूने, कौवे का तीर्थ, है ना? वो कहाँ जाए, कौन जाएगा उसमें कौवे के तीर्थ में, है ना? वेदव्यास खुद ही दुखी हो रहे थे लिख के. Why didn't you focus on devotional service? Why did you do that, my dear? He says, my dear Prabhu, my dear Prabhu. Where is that word Prabhu was used by Narad Muni for Veda? My dear Prabhu, he forgot Krishna consciousness. Ye kya kar diya ye sab? Jugupsatam, abominable. You should not have done all these things. Why didn't you focus on devotion service to the Lord? Parabhavastavad abodha jatam yavanna jigyasa tattvam. Kya kar diya? There is nothing about devotion service in all his books. All the work that you have done, it has no sense, no meaning. One spot Narad Muni could identify. So, actually, we also want to be happy and ecstatic in Krishna consciousness, but then, yavat kriya tavat idam manove. Whatever kind of activities you do, the mind becomes colored by that. So, we should be careful in our life. Such a beautiful opportunity we got. Please do not forget, we came here only for one thing, Krishna consciousness. Correct? We just came for one thing. We didn't come for anything else. We have dedicated our life so that we can advance in Krishna consciousness. And we have such a great Acharya who is in his respectable position, who can sustain our Krishna consciousness, bestow us blessings of Krishna consciousness. So why throw away this opportunity? Do not throw away. Take this opportunity, keep purifying ourselves. This is a stage now, and the stage will come one day. We will be blissful. But for then, we have to, Kanishta also, see, we cannot do what we like to do. We have to discriminate. We are meeting people, we have to discriminate. We are doing activity, we have to discriminate. We are thinking, we have to discriminate. We cannot be lazy there. We have to do some hard work. A Sattva-guna person does a hard work. What is the hard work he is doing? This activity is good for me or bad for me. A Rasic person becomes confused. Tamasic person does reverse. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is explained in the 16th. Pravittim cha nivrittim cha janana asura janaha. Asuras don't know what is to be done, what is not to be. Totally they become confused. And tamasic person becomes reverse. Sattvic person knows what is correct, what is wrong. But even a sattvic person is only thinking from karmakanda platform. Just like Arjuna was thinking in the beginning of the battlefield, as a sattvic person. Duryodhana, tamasic. Jo nahi karna hai, kar raha tha. But Arjuna was actually thinking, is this right? I am fighting with my grandfather and teacher, my own cousins, and doing such a slaughter just to become a kingdom. That is Sattva-guna. But at that point, actually the great devotee there is no Krishna consciousness. And then after hearing to Krishna, then he said, I want to fight because Krishna wants this. Now that is the highest platform. So in the beginning we come to spiritual life, when people come to the temple, what happens? We first give them an education to give up sinful activities. First level. Paap karam, acha hai. First basic idea. This is good, this is bad. And we start giving them the knowledge of chanting. And that's what happens to him. As he starts chanting, he gets the strength. He slowly removes sinful activity from his life. That is not Krishna consciousness now. Krishna consciousness, much higher it has to go. Not only just removing sinful activities, he even gives up the thought of sinful activities. It becomes even more auspicious. And then as he progresses even more, and then more and more, he can taste the ecstasy of Krishna consciousness. And then there is some other word we will have. Vidura is traveling, he meets Maitreya. Oh, what a great saint he is. Let me take his association. Something else we are hankering. Otherwise, just imagine, for us, we are supposed to divide our day into 8. 8 hours, your duties, correct? है ना? आप जॉब कर रहे हैं, कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हैं, 8 hours spend on that. 8 hours spend on the body, 8 hours spend on the mind. So body, mind and soul, सबको 8-8 घंटा चाहिए. Now, the person who is actually mature, what is going to happen is that he will become like Vidura. Vidura lost the whole kingdom in the sense that Dhritarashtra maintained it with great opulence. Even though he was not born to the queen, he was born to the maid, so he doesn't inherit anything, है ना? तो उसका हक नहीं था, लेकिन धृतराष्ट्र को बहुत स्नेह था, उसको बहुत धन और ऐश्वर्य दिया था, एंड वो पैलेस में आके हर दिन एडवाइस देता था उसको. He was one of the counselor, whatever, मंत्री of the palace, and he used to hear him with great respect. So इतना कुछ था. And suddenly, even Duryodhana had never done that till that day. One day he became crazy and he insulted him. And Vidura just walked away. Now he's lost the palace, but in his life he's actually searching for Krishna consciousness. So therefore he didn't take that negative. So Krishna will test us. अरे हम तो कृष्णा कॉन्शियस में हैं, हम यहाँ कृष्णा के लिए आए या कुछ और चीज के लिए आए, कृष्णा कभी कभी टेस्ट कर देते हैं. So what happened then? Vidura had no remorse. He was looking for somebody who can actually help him expand Krishna consciousness. And where does he go? He goes to meet first Uddhava. And he is so in ecstasy seeing that. So if that urge doesn't come, then we may have few hours with us free. We will not think, yeah, let me read Prahlad Maharaj pastime, long time not read. The Nectar of Devotion, that chapter of laughing ecstasy, वो भी एक बारी पढ़ना था, बहुत time हो गया. We will be actually searching for sources of inspiration for advancement in Krishna consciousness, because that is my agenda of life. And that will give me always satisfaction. But something else becomes the agenda of my life, then it is all based on your karma. It may be there, it may not be there. But Krishna consciousness is so beautiful that it is not bound by the karma. You want to taste more and more ecstasy of Krishna consciousness, there is no external situation which can block it. But if you have a material agenda, certain things will be helpful, certain things will not be helpful. Because it may not come based on the karma. Everybody in the material world wants to be a billionaire. सब बन रहे हैं क्या अरबपति? नहीं बनते ना. कर्म अपना कर्म अलाउ करता है? नहीं करता है. तो आदमी को संतुष्ट और खुश रहना चाहिए. भौतिक में 8 घंटे काम करो, जो मिला संतुष्ट रहो. But in spiritual life, the person develops hankering more and more. And it discriminates. I am doing this activity, this actually is of no benefit. Therefore, Bhagavatam is the example of illustrated Ajamila is doing sinful activity. And he repents later. Why I wasted my time in Krishna consciousness. The Dvija Patni Joya, the husbands of those great devotees, the wives of the Brahmanas, those Dvijas, they also lamented. We are doing big yagnas, but it had no Krishna consciousness. Krishna proved by that example. And one by one we see so many examples we see in the Shastra, where even the residents of Vrindavana were not aware. Therefore Krishna did the Govardhan Leela to make them focus. They were also interested in doing karma kanda activity of worshipping in Indra. What is the need of that for a devotee? He can directly worship Vishnu. So if you see throughout the lesson of the Vedic literature, they are telling us that activity should be more for pleasure of the Lord rather than wasting the time in something which is more or less devoid of Krishna consciousness. Okay, so this is the lesson we can take from this today. Hare Krishna everybody.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you Prabhuji.
Hare
Dandavat
Krishna
pranam.
Prabhuji,
Hare
thank you
Krishna
Prabhuji, Dandavat pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
Dandavat
Krishna
pranam.
Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna.
Dandavat pranam.
Pranam
Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna
Hare Krishna,
Prabhuji,
Hare
Dandavat
Hey,
Krishna.
Pranam.
darshan, darshan kara.
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Prabhuji,
Prabhuji. Dandavat
Sada
pranam.
pranam.
Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat pranam. Thank you so much Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Krishna,
Hare,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama, Hare
Krishna
Rama,
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Rama,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Rama,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna